कि आईआईटी बॉम्बे में पढ़ रहे छात्र ने खुदकुशी की है।
That we have that the number of suicides of students at IITs have doubled in the last decade.
Room at the Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur campus on Friday. This is the fourth unnatural death case at the campus in January this year.
ये वही कॉलेजेस हैं जहां लोग इंडिया के सेकंड टफेस्ट एग्जामिनेशन को निकाल करके जाते हैं। As we know about IITs, के placements, infrastructures, opportunities, startups, and many more something like that. It is the reality, or it is just a mask to hide what is really going inside the IITs. In this video, we will talk about what the really reason behind the creamy layer of India after achieving everything in their life or something in their life ends their life with just a snap. And also many aspirants are watching this video. What should be their steps towards the JEE 2026 and how should be they prepare for the JEE examination? So let's get start the videos. Today's topic, dark reality of IITs.
ये बात हम पहले ही कर चुके हैं। खुशी सिर्फ कामयाबी से मिलती है।
अरे पापा, आपको कैसे पता अगर आईआईटी नहीं करेगा तो कामयाब नहीं होगा?
So first introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Zishan and I have also cleared JEE Mains and JEE Advanced with the rank of these. Okay, let's get start. So सबसे पहले शुरू से हमें इसको शुरू करना होगा। जब एक बच्चा 16 या 17 साल का होता है तो उसे फैमिली प्रेशराइज करती है या फिर कुछ वो यूट्यूब्स में देखता है या फिर तरह तरह की चीज़ें से उनको पता चलता है IITs के बारे में। And they started preparation for that. And the research about the examination, what is really IIT's examination is this. What's the pattern, what's the syllabus, and everything they search about this examination. And they found that it is one of the toughest examination in our country. Human psychology होती है कि अगर आप कोई चीज़ के ऊपर काम कर रहे हो, हार्डवर्क काम कर रहे हो, then उसका आउटकम भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. Then you will get motivation to do that work as well. But in this case, it is not really such good. Why? Many reasons are there. First of all, IIT's placements. Placements are decreasing day by day. IIT Bombay placements, you have heard that 13% decreases every year. And also lower branches placements are very, very low. Even though IIT Bombay student gets a very low package of 5 lakhs per annum. Sees about the IITs and what the teachers says about the IITs. It is not as much as good as you are thinking of. The IIT's fees are also be a reason or also be a concerned thing. As we know that 90% of the Indian family are not as much as they can afford the fees of IIT. Let's suppose you took a loan for IITs, but what about the cutoff? Increasing cutoffs. Cutoffs are increasing day by day. Number of students are increasing day by day. But what about seats? Only 400 seats have increased last year. But what about number of students appearing there? 2024 data is 14.18 lakh students. And what about 2025? It was 12.58 lakhs. And how much total seats are there in IITs? It is very low as compared to number of aspirants or number of students. Casteism are also an important factor for the students who are preparing for the IITs. General students, there are only 30%, 25% seats for the general male students. और इनके अलावा सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर आता है syllabus. Syllabus also being a factor to many students who end their life. As you have heard, the news of Kota.
A father breaks down at the mortuary in Kota as he stands outside to identify the body of his 16-year-old son who was preparing for the IIT exams. The child committed suicide in his hostel room.
Because of what? Because of peer pressure, because of syllabus. According to me, these are the points why really you not get what you have hard worked. And let's know the reality why students ends their life after getting into IITs. ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी अगर इतने बड़े एग्जामिनेशन के लिए अगर आप तैयारी कर रहे होते हो, सो एवरीबडी इफ यू आर सेलेक्टेड इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ क्लियरिंग ऑल द 6 पॉइंट्स दैट आई हैव मेंशन अर्लियर, देन व्हाट, एक्सपेक्टेशन शुरू हो जाती हैं. आप खुद प्रिपरेशन के दौरान खुद से ही एक्सपेक्टेशन बहुत ज़्यादा रखने लगते हो. Like when I got into IIT, I will get a very, very huge package of what we sees in the Google, 3 crore, 1.8 crore and something like that. But what really goes inside the IITs, what the really placement looks like, I had told you earlier. And this is the first step why the situation gives you the opportunity to think yourself inside, and self-doubt is one of the main reason why a student ending their life. When you got into IIT, you see the reality, what is inside, what is the really going inside the IITs. Outdated syllabus, placement rates, and also family pressurize you. Family's expectation kills you day by day. And what after? After all, in second or third year, most of the students who have suicide till now ending their life in second or third year, because the expectation doesn't align with that particular scenario in the IITs. We have to stop this kind of shit that is really going inside the IITs. I'm not saying that IITs are not good. You should continue your preparation with something 2 or 3 points that I'm going to discuss for upcoming JEE aspirants. The first thing you have to do is you should lower your expectations. If you lower your expectation, if something gonna happen good, it will looks like you a very great thing, because your expectations are very low. That's the reality, guys. You shouldn't have to think that if you get into IIT, you will get succeed in your life. It is not the reality, guys. Like I mentioned earlier, that people get a 5 lakh per annum. Why? Because they didn't do much things for the placement. They didn't do much things for the placement. They think that if I crack the IIT, it is everything in my life. It is not the reality, guys. You have to learn hard work from the preparation. You have to learn how to do hard work, how to do smart work. You have to prepare yourself to fight the situation that is gonna happen in your 5 to 10 years after life. The reality of life, the reality of private jobs or sector, like something like that. I don't know about these kind of things. Now, let's come to the end of this video. The conclusion is, you guys, if you are preparing for JEE, you should lower your expectation, prioritize your health first, and many more. And don't think that IITs are not good enough, like I told you earlier. IITs are very good, guys. If you are hardworking too much, then you will get succeed, guys. It is tier 3, tier 2 or something like that. It is not matter as much as you are thinking of. IITs are very good. They gives you opportunity, everything that you need to get succeed. The must thing that you have to do is hard work. So let's end this video. Bye bye. मिलते हैं next video में. तब तक के लिए bye bye, guys.